In 2029, the world will witness a celestial event like no other. Meet Apophis, the god of destruction asteroid, named after the Egyptian deity of chaos. But fear not, for humanity has a plan. Scientists have unveiled 3 groundbreaking concepts for tiny spacecraft that will journey from Earth to rendezvous with Apophis. Our Neelite project aims to seize this once-in-a-millennium opportunity to explore and learn from this near-Earth asteroid. These spacecraft, designed by a team led by Hakan Kayal, will gather crucial data to deepen our understanding of the solar system. NASA's OSIRIS-APEX spacecraft will be there to witness this historic event firsthand. Apophis, once a harbinger of fear, now becomes a beacon of scientific discovery. As we unlock the mysteries of Apophis, we pave the way for a safer future. Join us as we embark on a journey to confront the unknown and safeguard our planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And of course, let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below.